Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, April 23rd, and this is my analysis for the Euro-US dollar. If you haven't done so yet, definitely do check out my free Discord channel, link down here in the corner at the end of the video, and take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com, and make sure to watch the video on my home screen to learn more. So, anyways, the euro dollar, I left these blue Fibonacci extensions on here. If you've been watching my videos on a daily basis, you know what I mean. Because I just wanted to show. Yesterday, I was saying that if it is a wave C, then it really can't go much past the 50%. It definitely can't really go past the 161.8. If it did, then it invalidates this as a wave C, and that's exactly what happened. It went way beyond those levels. So that means that this is almost definitely not an ABC correction anymore. This is almost definitely a bigger turn. Now, if we go to the daily time frame, we definitely have a possible one, two, three, four, five waves on the daily. And if that is five waves, then it will at least take out this low right here, minimum. And more than likely, it will make a correction that will potentially last a couple of weeks. So if that's the case, we definitely want to be looking for sorts now. We definitely do want to be looking for sorts, whether it makes a correction to those last five waves or whether it just makes a smaller correction, we don't really know. All I know is that this is not just going to end up continuing the uptrend like that. More than likely, it's probably going to do some sort of a corrective pattern probably over the next week or so, maybe end up making some sort of a bigger ABC correction. This first move down, I think it's only a wave A of a bigger ABC correction, and it could even end up turning into a much larger correction. This potentially could even be like a wave one of wave A. And if you understand Elliot wave, then you know exactly what I mean by wave one of wave A. So now that we have a break to the downside, I would recommend shorts. Hopefully we can learn and earn at the same time whether this is a smaller ABC like this or whether it turns into a big ABC on the daily like a wave two on the daily time frame. So anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.